Glow Up. Yoga for Core. Sit down with your feet side by side and straighten your spine. Put your thumb and pointer finger together. Place the back of your hands on your knees. Close your eyes, and we are going to breathe. Let go of the tension in your body and mind. Take a moment to focus on yourself. Breathe in one last time and breathe out. Slowly find your consciousness. We will start with a wrist warm-up, followed by cat and cow pose. Go into the table pose. Make the fingertips of your right hand face your body and leave the back of your left hand on the floor. Cow pose. When inhaling, look at the ceiling and lift your chest and chin toward the ceiling while pushing your bottom behind. Breathe deeply 3 times. Cat pose. When exhaling, look at your belly, curl your back towards the ceiling, and also curl your hips, pushing them forward a little bit. Push the floor with your hands and feel your arms elongating. Breathe deeply 3 times. Return to the neutral position as well as your hands and repeat on the other side. Make the fingertips of your left hand face your body and leave the back of your right hand on the floor. Cow pose first. Breathe deeply. Cat pose. Breathe. Next is the table plank. Go into the table pose. Firmly press the floor with the palms of your hands. Go up on the balls of your feet and lift your knees 5 centimeters from the floor. Maintain this position. Close your ribs and engage your core so your back doesn't bend, and slightly lift your body in between your shoulder blades. Slowly breathe. Hold your core. Slowly place both knees on the floor and take a deep breath. Next is the table arm and leg stretch. From the table pose, extend your right leg towards the back and raise it until it is in line with your hips. Maintaining your balance, extend your left hand next to your ear. Look at the floor, engage your core, keep your back and waist straight, and keep both hips in the same line. We're going to hold it for 10 seconds. Slowly place your right knee down first and your left hand down. Repeat on the other side. Now extend your left leg towards the back. Raise it until it is in line with your hips. Extend your right hand next to your ear. Engage your core. Keep your back, waist, and hips straight. Next is the table puppy pose. Extend your right leg and then bring your knee as close to your chest as you can. Extend your right leg again. This time, bring your knee close to your right armpit. Repeat 4 sets. Extend your right leg, now close to your armpit. Bring your knee close to your chest, close to the armpit. Extend and close to the chest. Extend and close to the armpit. Place your right leg down and take a deep breath. Table pose. Extend your left leg. Bring your knee close to your chest, now close to your armpit. Close to the chest. Close to the armpit. Close to the chest. Close to the armpit. Breathe. Next is the downward facing dog. Spread out your fingers and push the floor with your entire hands to extend your upper body as if you are stretching. Straighten both knees and push the floor with your feet. Lift your tailbone towards the ceiling. Breathe. Next is the downward facing puppy pose. Go into a down dog pose. Raise your right leg towards the ceiling. Bring the tips of your right toes as close to the ceiling as possible. Raise your right leg into a split again, and this time do another set, bringing your knee close to your armpit. We will repeat these 5 sets. Put your legs up and down to your chest, up again and down to your armpit, up and chest, up and armpit, up again and to the chest, up again and to the armpit. In the last set, hold close to your chest for 5 seconds and close to your armpit for 5 seconds. Repeat it with the left leg. Put your legs up and to the chest. Up again and to the armpit. Up and to the chest. Up again and to the armpit. Up to the chest. Up to the armpit. Up to chest. Up to armpit. In the last set, hold close to your chest for 5 seconds and close to your armpit for 5 seconds. From down dog, go into the child's pose and rest for a moment. Next is the plank. In down dog pose, lift your heels and take a step back into a plank. Make sure your wrists are below your elbows, your back's not bent, your core is engaged, and your rib cage is closed. Extend your body from your heels to the top of your head in a straight line. Look at the floor below your nose and hold for 1 minute. "40 seconds left. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get back to the child's pose. Catch your breath in the child's pose. Next is the knees on the floor. We will start with the beginner's pose first. In down dog, place your knees on the floor. While inhaling, push your hands and go into up dog, opening your chest and shoulders. Exhale and go into down dog. Next, we will go through the experienced version pose. In down dog, lift your heels and take one step back into a plank. Keep your armpits closed and push down while your wrists and elbows are in a straight line. While inhaling, push on your hands and go into up dog, opening your chest and shoulders. Exhale and go into down dog. Rest in child pose. Next is the wind relieving pose. Lie down on your back and hug your knees so they are close to your chest. From your position, we will go straight to the twist. Cross your legs. Let your legs fall to the left. Extend your right arm and look at the fingertips of your right hand. Hold for 5 breaths. While inhaling, come back to the original position and repeat on the other side. Let your legs fall to the right. Extend your left arm and look at the fingertips of your left hand. Remember that your face and the body direction are in the opposite way. Finally, we will end up with Savasana. Lie down comfortably on your back with the back of your hands next to your hips and your feet apart at the width of your mat. We will rest in the Savasana position. Today, we did some yoga to strengthen the core. You will find yourself becoming stronger if you practice every evening. Yoga is all about consistency. I hope to see you often. Namaste.